Alright, this is what the zip system roof looks like after a full winter in Montana, western Montana. Not bad. I don't see any sheet flaws. I mean, there's a few bits of tape that maybe aren't stuck down as well as they used to be. Yeah, there you go. There's a real world test. This is how it sat. For the most part, I had no leaks. There were one or two spots where a little bit of water would get in. Not bad, but not zero. Early on, when it would rain and then I could get up here and, measure it out on the floor and come up on the roof, I could find them, and we patched and restuck down some tape and whatnot. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not even puckering around screw holes. I did have, like there, this was a board flaw that we found early on, and it was like a crack in the covering, and it started to absorb some water. Here's another one over here. Oh, let's see, this span is like 53 by 30 something. But not too bad. There you go. I paid for this. Nobody asked me to make it, but if I had been 1 year ago me looking at putting this stuff down, knowing I wouldn't be able to get a roof on it in time, this is exactly the information I would have wanted to see. And I know for a fact untreated particle board would not be in this shape. There you go. Beautiful view.